Welcome to Hidden Access. It's a place where you can waste your time on the internet. Welcome to the club.
Totally unbelievable, and the power and the speed that, I mean, I've never experienced anything like it. It was exceptional. Being the second person to sit inside the Evija is just incredible. It's such an honour, and I feel so fortunate to be able to do it. I think it's a great thing for both appealing to a new generation and a younger audience, and also to ensure that we still get to keep enjoying driving and enjoying cars. That thing is totally wild and unlike anything I've ever experienced. So